How do you deal with drop off when you put people into breakout rooms? So here's my answer to that. Tell people two parts. Before the meeting starts, tell people that that's going to happen, that they're going to be in breakout rooms. Like, hey, this is going to be a participatory session. There will be some times you're going to be in breakout rooms. Just know that coming in. If you're going to do breakout rooms, I would say like more than once, or it is kind of a key part to the facilitation, I think that's really essential to tell them ahead of time, and just like let them know. The other option you have, this is like on a practical level, before you make the breakout rooms, tell people, hey, we're about to go into breakout rooms. If that's something you don't want to do, now's a good time to drop. Do that before you make the breakout rooms, because otherwise you end up stranding people without partners. So that's annoying. And the other really practical option, and I've done this sometimes when I'm like, I want people to be there, and if they don't want to participate in the breakout rooms, I just don't want to put them there, because then I don't, like, it's okay for them to be just like observing for the rest of the time, but I don't want to make a breakout room of a bunch of people who don't want to be in it. I was going to do this. What I would say is, okay, if you're up for being in breakout rooms and for chatting and participating, if you're in a space to do that, go ahead and put an asterisk right before your name. And then what I'll do is when I create the breakout rooms, I'll have to create them manually, and I'll just go through and put everybody who's got asterisks next to their names in those breakout rooms. And I'll leave everybody who did nothing just in the main room. And that way I know the people in the breakout rooms are active and participatory, and the people here have told me they're not going to be. And that's what I'll do.